Should you ever want to move a pivot table from its current sheet to another sheet, you can do so by going to the Pivot Table Tools Options tab in the ribbon. What you'll find is there's a button in the Actions group called Move Pivot Table. When I click this button, I might decide to move the pivot table to an existing sheet, and with my mouse I'll locate the sheet and the particular cell that I want to move it to. I might click on Targets at the bottom of my screen and click on J1. When I click OK, the pivot table has moved to the sheet Targets and the cell J1. If I wish to move it back to where it came from, I'll go back to the Pivot Table Tools Options tab in the ribbon, back to the Actions group, and click the Move Pivot Table button. I can put it into a new sheet if I wish, or I can actually go off to the earlier sheet and click in A1 and move the pivot table back to the sheet from where it came from, and OK.